So, I'm packing for the Queen City Vintage and Antique Market in Regina, Saskatchewan this next weekend. It's Good Friday right now, and I'm basically got 2, 4, 6, 7 crates, 8 crates packed. Basically, I've got another crate behind the counter that I'm still packing. Still got 4 or so to go, plus packing these plastic crates. I've got a bunch of them to pack. So I'm struggling yet again, trying to get inventory to bring that I haven't brought before. So, yeah, I'm really struggling this time because I hate bringing stuff twice, with the exception of stuff in showcases because it's easy to load and unload. But the bigger stuff, I'd like to have different stuff. So, yeah, bringing the same thing just doesn't cut it all the time. So I go to too many other shows, or have attended other shows where people are bringing the same stuff over and over and over again. And it doesn't help the show, and it doesn't help your sales either. You need to be bringing fresh stuff, or a good smattering of fresh stuff mixed into the other stuff, to just make your booth look unique and different than it did the previous year. So anyway, I do have these started. I'm trying to do 2 crates a day, which is pretty easy to do, you'd think, but I'm struggling now because I'm to that point where I don't want to be duplicating my booth again. So, struggling to fill these up. I'm not sure what else to bring that I haven't brought before. This particular show, I don't sell as much as I do in Saskatoon. Probably about half of what I sell in Saskatoon, although it's still a better show than what I've encountered in Manitoba here. So, probably because their stuff maybe is different in a way. You just more unique, maybe. I don't know. Just different stuff than they normally see. I don't know. But anyway, so this is what I've packed already. So not a lot. Going to be loading on Wednesday and taking off Thursday morning. So I'll show you the rest of the packed stuff once I'm done. So, I may have hit a bit of a snag. The weather's apparently going to turn bad. There's all kinds of forecasts varying in their scope, but it looks good out there right now. It's probably +1 or 2, and looks nice, actually quite nice, but it's supposed to turn bad. Yeah. They're talking anywhere from 5 to 25 centimeters of snow, and all on the days that we're planning to travel. So, yeah, might have to leave early just to get there. So we'll see. With the temperatures the way they are, it could be just rain, and then it'll be fine. But if it's snow, there's going to be kind of an issue there. So we'll see, I guess. So anyway, I'll show you the stuff I got packed. Right here, got crates all ready to go. Jake has already checked them out. Jake's taking a little bit of a nap there, or just a lay down. And crates there, couple here. The mats I stand on, because standing on concrete is not fun. So if you're doing a show, I recommend getting some foam mats to stand on. And of course, tablecloth there. I'm going to take these candle holders, and we've got 3 more crates here. Some of them are sparsely packed, like that one, for example. Yeah, just not as much stuff as I had planned or hoped to take. Got plastic crates full of bins and such. Should be able to fill up the tables all right, but I'm just a little concerned as to how much I'm going to sell. But we'll see. Anyway, so the next you see will either be what everything packed in the back of the van, or you might see the show. So yeah, we'll see how the time goes, and we'll go from there. So we're here, just setting up now. Got my tables arranged, some stuff set up, cases out, and ready to unpack more. Fun. So I'll show you the update in a bit. And the second time around. Still setting up, of course. Getting a fair bit. Have to reorganize a little bit, but not much. And then I got a whole bunch of bins and such to put out on that table there. So yeah, that's where it sits. So here's the completed booth all set up. Got pottery and such on this side, some glass, kitchenwares, etc. Some kind of guy stuff, I guess you could say. Got Boy Scouts here, Boy Scouts flag. Got all the holes filled in basically. Got a couple spots I can still spread stuff out into, I guess. Let me know what you think of the booth. I see it and I think it's cluttered or not as nice as I would like it, but it is what it is. Set it up a little differently this time than normal. Got an extra table. Had one extra last year as well for the showcases. So there we go. This is it, guys. Picked up one piece yesterday, actually, a stoneware jug there, or not jug, a stoneware preserved jar out of Ontario. Bought it locally here though. This is the day before the show, so most people are set up already.